Hey guys, today I'll show you how to change the language in Waze. Let's get started. First, open the Waze app on your phone. Tap the menu or search icon. Then go to Settings. Scroll down and tap General. Then select Language. You'll see a list of available languages that Waze supports. Browse through the list and tap the language you want to use. The app will automatically update most of the menus and text to your selected language. If the changes don't appear immediately, simply close and reopen the Waze app. If you also like the navigation voice to match your selected language, go back to Settings, tap Voice and Sound. Then choose a voice that's available in your preferred language. That's all there is to it. You can change the language again anytime by following the same steps. And that's how to change the language in Waze. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.